Jason had always been a bit different. While other kids played sports or video games, he preferred to read books on obscure topics like ancient Mesopotamia agriculture or the mating habits of porcupines. At school, he was known for wearing mismatched clothes and starting intellectual debates with teachers in the middle of lessons. Some called him weird, but Jason didn't mind. He knew that normal was overrated. Peculiar People Day on January 10th honors those who, like Jason, don't quite fit into the mainstream. It celebrates uniqueness in all its forms and encourages people to embrace their quirks and eccentricities. The day was founded in 1995 by the American Peculiar People Day Foundation to recognize that diversity makes humanity rich and that normality is subjective. Throughout history, some of the world's most influential people were considered quite peculiar in their time. Galileo championed the theory of heliocentrism despite facing opposition from the Catholic Church. Vincent van Gogh's post-impressionist paintings were called strange and disturbing. Ada Lovelace, the first computer programmer, was viewed as oddity in the male-dominated fields of science and mathematics in the 19th century. However, if it weren't for those peculiar pioneers thinking out of the box and straying from convention, society would not have progressed in the way it did. Peculiarity drives innovation, as peculiar people are not constrained by the preconceived notions of how the world should be. They imagine new possibilities and have the courage to make them a reality. On Peculiar People Day, people all over the world celebrate uniqueness in its many forms. Some dress in quirky mismatched outfits or eccentric costumes. Others organize events promoting diversity and non-conformity in their local communities. Social media campaigns are launched to share stories of peculiar people who have made a positive difference in the world. The overall message of Peculiar People Day is that there is no such thing as normal and that humanity thrives on diversity. So next time someone calls you weird or peculiar, wear it as a badge of honor. Like Jason, embrace the opportunity to think differently, push boundaries and make the world a more interesting place, one peculiar idea at a time. Peculiarity should be celebrated, not stifled, and Peculiar People Day is a reminder that there is no greater beauty than someone who apologetically marches to the beat of their own drum. January 10 is Peculiar People Day. Here is our painting with all your pastels for this special day, and have a wonderful Peculiar People Day. Cheers!